For now, I want to categorically put it, I'm collaborating with the national government as instated in the Constitution of Kenya. The national government and the county government, they have to co-work, cooperate. We are remaining 2 years to election. I'm not going to abuse Ruto around, whereas he's the president. Given that he's the president, we have only a president. We have not had a candidate in the name of Ruto, or a candidate in the name of Matiang'i, or a candidate in the name of Raila, or a candidate in the name of Kalonzo. Today we have the president. Candidates will come at the right time that we are going into elections. Therefore, as a governor, I will collaborate with all leaders, and I want to welcome all leaders in Kisii, because there is a lot of rumors Simba want to antagonize good leaders from across the country. We can't bury our heads in the sand when we know what we have gone through. Even when one has turned to be an angel today, there is more. In Swahili we say, hatuwezi mwaga mtama kwa kuku wengi. There is more, and we are going to shape the country's politics moving forward.